In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Word. Adding an Excel spreadsheet directly into your Word document is a great way to include organized data, perform calculations, and present information clearly without switching between programs. This method allows you to work with spreadsheet features right inside your document, making it both convenient and efficient. To begin, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the spreadsheet to appear. This step is important because the spreadsheet will be inserted at the location of your cursor, so make sure it's positioned correctly within your content. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Tables group, click on the Table drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, select Excel Spreadsheet. As soon as you click this, a blank spreadsheet will be inserted directly into your Word document. You'll notice that the interface changes slightly, allowing you to use Excel-style tools within Word. This means you can start entering data into the cells just like you would in a regular spreadsheet. You can type numbers, text, or formulas, and the spreadsheet will handle calculations automatically. As you work, you can adjust column widths, format cells, and organize your data to match your needs. This makes it especially useful for creating tables with calculations, financial data, or structured information that benefits from Excel's functionality. If you need to make changes later, simply click inside the spreadsheet area, and the Excel editing tools will become available again. Clicking outside the spreadsheet will return you to the normal Word view. You can also resize the spreadsheet by clicking and dragging its edges so that it fits neatly within your document layout. This helps maintain a clean and professional appearance, especially when combining text and data on the same page. By using this method, you can seamlessly integrate spreadsheet functionality into your Word document without needing to open a separate file. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your documents with dynamic and well-structured data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.